Look what I found. Got scared, went inside. Now it's sticking his head again. SubhanAllah. Come on, little thing, don't be scared. Oh, getting braver. Can hear me. Come on. Oh, he's really getting brave. It's beautiful, inshallah. SubhanAllah. I think this is a gopher, if I'm not mistaken. Look what else I found. Looks like it's a day out with the kids. The kids are not kids anymore, they're older. Looks like this is probably the dad because he's all nervous. He wanted to make sure everybody's safe. Let's keep everybody eating.